We're back with Season 6 of everyone's favorite game show where spending money is the key. Say it with us, folks.
Was it worth it?
I bid on a package from liquidation.com, which is a mystery box of wholesale packages and undelivered mail. Let's see if package number 1 was worth it. First, it's time for girlfriend inspection.
Okay, I think this could be either a laundry basket or one of those canopy things that you put on your bed.
Because it's
I'm
got
still going with laundry basket.
that wire edge.
I'm going with pop-up laundry basket.
It's green.
Is that a hammock?
You can't go wrong with a portable privacy tent.
Was it worth it?
Well, we know what it is now.
Let's see if package number 2 was worth it. First, it's time for girlfriend inspection.
Well, I was gonna say pipe cleaners.
Nope.
Nope.
They're dreadlocks. Not pipe cleaners. Lots of dreadlocks. Homemade dreadlocks extensions, 12-inch soft reggae hair extensions.
This is a repeat.
Hey, more dreadlocks. We'll put those with the other ones.
Was it worth it?
Well, let's see if package number 3 was worth it. First, it's time for girlfriend inspection.
That feels like a metal hinge.
Oh. Oh.
Maybe not.
Yeah. More big
That is-
batteries.
Was it worth it?
Woo!
5-year warranty.
Ooh, 5-year warranty. Look at that.
Ooh, fancy.
Let's see if package number 4 was worth it. First, it's time for girlfriend inspection.
It's a poster.
Oh, there's my monitor.
I was right. No? What?
Badminton
What?
birdies.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go get a game on.
Was it worth it?
Just need some rackets and a net. We set. Woo! Nope, thought that was full-on poster. Nope.
We were wrong.
Game changer.
That your thing's not on.
Oh, it's recording. Let's see if package number 5 was worth it. First, it's time for girlfriend inspection.
It's a box.
I'm lazy on these guesses.
Shut up. I got nothing on that one.
It is a brick. Okay, we got green. Got some green. I don't know what that is. Ow. Yeah!
It's another one.
It's another one.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Was it worth it?
Does anybody want any of these?
Whoa, 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 whoa. I mean, maybe. But, I mean, I do have enough at this point.
I think you're all set.
I think I'm all set.
I think you're all set.
Let's see if package number 6 was worth it. Oh, please tell me it's another one. Please tell me it's another one. I'm keeping this in for that. I hope it's another
I
one.
think it is.
All right, we're going for it. I bet it's the same thing.
It is.
Come on.
It is.
Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Woo!
Worth it?
Let's see if package number 7 was worth it. I'm gonna get them all out of the way first of this then.
Yep. We're back here again. Yes.
Oh, we see the green. I think we know what this might be. Oh, I lied. I didn't think there was going to be another one in there.
Look, we did it again.
I don't know if we're going to be able to make it through this box at this point in time. We might as well just crack these open and go to town. Yeah.
Get it out.
Let's see if package number 8 was worth it.
Guess what? Guess what?
All right, we're going to do some nice and no, just
Watch this be completely wrong. No.
no,
No.
no.
Oh,
Hey!
yay!
More of the other ones from the last time.
We did it!
Yeah. Let's see if package number 9 was worth it. First, it's time for girlfriend inspection.
Feels like a jewelry box. Maybe not. Nope.
Skin Water Light, natural cream. I have no idea. Not putting it on my face.
Okay, well, you know.
Ooh,
Oh no, that's.
nice and smashed. Ooh, get it on my finger.
Smells not great.
Was it worth it?
Yeah, that's kind of done.
We can demonstrate where to put that. We'll just put this in here. That's a big. Let's see if package number 10 was worth it.
Found it! Guess what? I found it!
Oh, yeah! Another one!
Was it worth it?
Oh, God. It was worth it! Let's see if package number 11 was worth it. First, it's time for girlfriend inspection.
That might be a lipstick. I actually don't know. I thought we were gonna have another repeat, but. Nope, they're doggy.
Dog bags! With little paws on them. Oh, look at that.
Was it worth it?
Poop bags! I don't...
For people with dogs.
I got what they're for. I know people with dogs. I was just trying to figure out which people with
Not
dogs.
for you.
Not for me.
Not for you.
Let's see if package number 12 was worth it. First, it's time for girlfriend inspection.
Clothes.
She says clothes, folks. That feels like a shoe of sorts. No, an insole.
Oh, maybe. What?
I
Is
don't.
it bags?
Bags?
Bags.
I don't know this company.
I don't know either. Not really my style.
Was it worth it?
You got little pouches on the sides.
Is it like a cross bag? Maybe?
I guess you could, probably. Wow, they are branding the hell out of this thing. Branding. Let's see if package number 13 was worth it. First, it's time for girlfriend inspection.
The box. Maybe it's a camera. I don't know why. Oh,
Okay, I don't know what.
have these been opened
Probably.
and used?
I have no idea. Yeah, looks like it might have been taken out of the package.
Was it worth it?
All right. Nebulizer. I guess.
For people that really struggle with
I-
breathing issues, allergies,
Yeah.
asthma.
Well, it was more so was it worth it for me?
Oh, it's about you.
I bought the Let's see if package number 14 was worth it.
Guess what I found?
Oh my god, why is this one so much harder than... Hey, another one! This one's a little squished.
But guess
Yes,
what? I found it.
This thing's all stuck to my fingers.
Was it worth it?
Alright. Slim Squish Twist. Let's see if package number 15 was worth it. First, it's time for girlfriend inspection.
They're hair pieces. Why haven't I been coming from this side the entire time?
Ooh. That's a lot of hair. Oh. How's this? This doesn't look like any of them.
It's extensions.
Oh, smell.
Bangs.
Put them in my beard?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Was it worth it?
Alright, more hair. I think I'm gonna open a salon. At this point, I got enough to do like 5 customers. Let's see if package number 16 was worth it. First, it's time for girlfriend inspection.
It kind of sounds like Tic Tacs. I don't think that.
Oh, it is round. Is this what I maybe think it is and hope it isn't? No. Oh! Not what I was expecting!
Oh,
Someone's night guards.
have that's been used.
Well, I'm gonna go wash my hands after this, if that's the case.
Was it worth it?
Not Tic Tacs. Wait.
Yeah, bring that, keep right up there, you're just right in there. Okay, sorry whoever teeth that was, or night guards there was. Let's see if package number 17 was worth it.
Is it just one of them?
No,
Is it?
no, it's a lot of them, if it is.
I just.
These,
Oh, this is not
okay,
what I. Yeah.
not what I thought it was. So we're cracking them?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, is it? It's a paste.
Yep. Thank you. I mean, they might be good if you don't have super sensitive skin.
Was it worth it?
There's actually flecks of gold in this. There be gold in them packets. But we have a lot of them.
Maybe we
I have
just
a-
pick the gold flecks out.
Oh, there we go. Then we'll get all the gold out of
Yeah,
this.
There we
and
go.
then
It was worth it.
It was worth it. Let's see if package number 18 was worth it. That was a quick guess. It's a shirt, she says. It's a returned shirt.
Maybe it's not a shirt.
Nope.
Are those handkerchiefs?
They are. Maybe?
Are those fabric squares?
I don't know here.
No, they're fabric squares.
Fabric squares. If I sewed, then this would be worth it.
Was it worth it?
You make all sorts of things with that.
Let's see if package number 19 was worth it. First, it's time for girlfriend inspection.
Maybe it's a tarp. I don't know. Is that?
Oh, now you might have been real close with the tarp. It's definitely tent material. Did we get another tent? Is it a rainfly? I think it might be a rainfly. All right, hold on. We'll be right back. It's some sort of tarp or rainfly. There's 4 corners of these. It's rectangular, and it's got like an overhang. So once you've slid whatever in this side, this flaps over to protect it. But we don't know what it's for.
Was it worth it?
That's about it.
And it's got Velcro straps.
No instructions.
No instructions or no identification of what it's for. So if anybody knows, leave a comment.
Tarp.
Let's see if package number 20 was worth it. First, it's time for girlfriend inspection.
This is a dress. Nope.
Nope.
Is that yarn?
Nope.
What is it?
More hair. It's like crocheted hair. What did it say? Yeah.
It's locked.
Lock crocheted hair.
Was it worth it?
I thought it was a dress. I saw the red and I was like, oh.
I mean, yeah, somebody might want this. I have no use for this. Again, start a salon.